Joining me today on NYSE Floor Talk is Tony Smurfit, CEO at Smurfit Westrock. And I also have Ken Bowles, he is the CFO at Smurfit Westrock. Tony, Ken, fantastic to have you here on Floor Talk today.
Thanks for having us.
So exciting morning here at the New York Stock Exchange. You rang the opening bell to celebrate your listing. What was it like to ring the bell?
It's an amazing experience to be surrounded by so many colleagues and family, to ring that bell and to see so much enthusiasm about the whole experience from, of course, my near colleagues, but also our families and our friends and our colleagues in the company. It's just amazing.
Yeah, look, it's a fantastic day. Great to get here, great to list, great to start the journey. But as Tony says, it's always been about family for Smurfit. And now Smurfit Westrock is a new big family of 100,000 people.
So now, Tony, I want to start off with you. You recently completed the combination with Westrock. How significant is today's listing?
Oh, I think it's very significant. I mean, we've always said that we would want to list in the United States, and obviously listing in the United States means to us the New York Stock Exchange. But we always felt we needed to have a bigger presence here, and now that we have about 67% of our sales in the Americas region, I think that gave us the impetus to move our listing from Europe to our main listing from Europe to the United States, and then clearly the New York Stock Exchange was the place we wanted to come. Great companies of the world are here, and that's the reason why we want to be here. And we're so honored and delighted that the NYSE has accepted our application to be here, and we're delighted also to be in the S&P 500 immediately, which is, I think, the first Irish company to be doing so. Sorry, homegrown Irish company to be doing so.
And how are you different from your competitors?
We're much better. Can I say that? I think that actually we are a very innovative company with 1,500 linked up designers across the world. We've got the most innovative packaging in the world. We've got presence in 40 countries, which no other company has. We've got number one or number two market positions in most of those countries. So we're very different. We're very unique. And I think most of all, we have a culture which is very unique. People who come to work in Smurfit Kappa really like the company. Now when they come to work in Smurfit Westrock, I believe as we get the company together and combine the company, it'll be a great place for people to work and have their careers and develop. And so we're really excited about that combination. And that's why we're different. We're just a very different company with the best designs, the best innovation, the best global footprint, and the best and most loyal team that exists.
Now, Ken, now that the company is listed on the New York Stock Exchange, what would you say to U.S. investors?
I think they get to participate in something very special. They come in together at Smurfit Westrock, as Tony said, brings us 40 countries, a world of opportunity. For investors, they get to participate directly in the global economy, because in reality, our product, first point of touch is really the consumer. So we're more of a consumer company than an industrial company in that sense. But also I think it's about the depth of these markets and where we should sit, and that gives them an opportunity to do that too. But I think if you think about the product we make, which is what the world is looking for, it's sustainable, renewable, recyclable, and biodegradable. And a world that's ever shifting away from less maybe sustainable substrates where something more renewable, Smurfit Westrock as it is now, is right in the sweet spot of that. And when you think about the world forward, there's just so much roadway to go on that journey around where we are at. So this is the start of the opportunity. From here on, the opportunity set that still exists is fantastic.
And what role does innovation and technology play in your company?
Tony touched on it there, but in reality, we've been innovating since 1934 as Smurfit. I mean, whether it's around boxes or paper, it's really about making sure our customers get what they want for the product they have. So if you think about the last number of years, the way supply chains have changed, the way the carbon footprint has changed, that really comes from us. And I suppose, unless you continue to innovate and indeed use AI and digital technologies to kind of push that agenda, you're going to fall behind. The designers is one part of that. We have a whole suite of applications that none of our peers have, which enable our customers to be first to market, visibility on shelf, where they need to be. But I suppose we see ourselves as much as an innovative and culturally innovative company as we do just a production company, manufacturing company. But I think innovation is total. And our customers come to us because they see the innovation we have. Look, if you look at the Boxman, very simple idea of innovation of the bull outside. But you take that down to the granular level, it's about getting your customer the product they need, the way they should have it, the way it goes through the supply chain every single time.
Well, welcome to the NYSE community. And thanks for joining me on Floor Talk today.
Thanks, Judy.
Thanks, Judy. Thank you very much.
Great to be with you.